Hi everyone! If you guys didn't know, I am actually here in Japan and it's my 8th day. I am staying in Osaka area and I am at my aunt's house. So today, I would like to show you a little bit of a haul, some of the things that I got here in Japan, and yung mga skincare lang muna, and yung mga ano yung dapat nyong kunin kung nandito kayo sa Japan, ano yung mga dapat nyong bilhin when you go to the pharmacy or at Don Quijote. So let's start with this Hada Labo moisturizer. So ito yung itsura niya. I got this in Sapporo when I went here for winter and it's very moisturizing and ang tipid niyang product. February 1st or 2nd pa ako pumuntang Sapporo and ang dami-dami pa rin niya. It's already April. So get this especially if you have dry skin. I have combination skin and it's doing really well. And ito yung pinaka-favorite kong na-discover ko. This is the CC Milano Facial Wash. Vitamin C, itong line na to, sikat siya for acne scars, for removing acne scars. And this one specifically is brightening and you will feel na nalilinis talaga yung mukha mo even without the parang stretching na feeling and hindi siya strong sa mukha. So I got a lot of this cause tatagal lang to sa akin ng 1 month. Mura lang to. I think in the Philippines, it's around 550. If it has a link sa Lazada, I will put a link. Hanapin nyo na lang sa post ko. But if you're going to Japan, it's a lot cheaper. From the same brand of CC Milano, I got this, I think it's like a toner. I haven't tried it and I would love to use the whole line of this brand kasi meron talaga silang serum, may essence, may moisturizer, may toner like this, and facial wash. So this is a really good brand, especially if you have acne scars kasi I do have a lot of acne scars. I think I've shared about this before. This is the Okochi mouthwash. I got one that is whitening and this one is peach flavor. So this is really trending even on TikTok kasi pag labas nyo, pag spit nyo ng mouthwash, you'll see solid particles. I'm not sure where that came from. Pero even after toothbrushing and flossing, may makikita pa rin kayo na naaalis na talaga yung mga dumi. So I'm excited to try this one. And this one I have tried already. And I think I've shared about these before din sa aking Get Ready With Me. But this DHC lip cream is like a Dior lip glow dupe. That's what the influencers are saying. I haven't tried it, but yeah, it's really good kasi hindi siya oily and hindi siya yung feeling mo mamantika yung bibig mo at wala kang magawa or hindi ka makainom, hindi ka makakain when you put this. Hindi ganun yung feeling, but it's really moisturizing. And then this Romand lip tint in the shade number 2, Joy. I also got this from Sapporo and I'm still using it until now. So 2 months, magme-May na. So I think it's really matipid and yeah, that's what I used and sobrang konti lang itong nilagay ko kasi nasa bahay lang naman ako. This product, so it's called Acne's Acne Treatment Cream, 18 grams. Nung pumunta ako dito, ayun, may pimple ako dito and concerned sa akin yung tita ko. So ito yung una namin pinunta sa pharmacy. Paglagay ko overnight, kinabukasan tuyo na yung pimple. Hindi nagtagal ng 2 days. Mostly overnight, kahit yung patubo pa lang na pimple, lalagyan ko nito. Pagising ko kinabukasan, wala na. So this has a link then. So I will put it in the comment section and you can buy it if hindi kayo makakapunta ng Japan or wala kayong kakilalang magpupuntang Japan. Fino Hair Treatment. Ang daming nagpabili nito. And yes, nagpasabay ako ng a few sets of Chubaki hair shampoo and conditioner with this Fino hair mask. I've tried this before, pero mali ata yung pagkakagamit ko kasi parang ginamit ko siya as a conditioner. So, hindi ko siya masyadong naramdaman sa buhok ko. I will give it another try and a lot of people are saying good things about this Fino hair mask. So, if you find this when you go to Japan, go and buy it. I'll just show this bag from Coach that my aunt gave me. Binigyan ako ng tita ko ng bag niya that she never used. A Coach bag, tote bag. I forgot the name, pero Laura Premium Signature, something like that. So, ayan, bagong-bago siya when she gave it to me and it has a Coach thing there. My tita or my aunt is a small lady. So, ayaw niya namang malalaking bag. Ako naman, sobrang hilig ko sa malalaking bag kasi ang dami kong nailalagay. So, I'm so happy with my new bag. And ito yung aking Suica card. Nakalagay na dyan para madaling sumakay ng train and buses, and I can use it in vending machines as well. I splurged a bit. I think it's my first time to buy something from Dior. So, I just bought a small perfume kasi it's a lot cheaper here in Japan compared to the Philippines. Wait, let me show you the product first. Nakabalot siya ng ganito because it's tax-free. Pero pwede mo naman siyang buksan. Yun nga lang, pagka chinek sa airport at nakabuka siya, pwede ka na pagbayarin ng tax. So, ngayon ko lang siya bubuksan. Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. So, this is the first perfume that I bought. Kasi hindi talaga mahilig sa perfume. But when I tried this, nagustuhan ko yung amoy niya. Ayoko talaga ng mga matatapang na amoy. Kasi I have a sensitive sense of smell. So, eto medyo fruity, flowery yung scent niya. This is, again, Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. 30 ml lang. Matipid naman ako kasi ayoko masyado magpabango. So, I think gagamitin ko lang siya when there are special events. And I'm not sure if I'll be continuing buying this because it's a little bit expensive. By the way, nabili ko siya ng around 10,000 yen. So, 3,500 pesos. I think it's around 5,000 in the Philippines and in other countries. So, yeah. Again, it's a lot cheaper here. And then, they gave some freebies. So, they were very generous naman sa freebies. Binigyan nila ako ng, highlighter, longwear, 24 hydration. I'm not sure how to use it. They gave me 2 of that. And then, serum, dalawa din. Dalawang serum. And they gave me essence, and another essence. And then, what else? Meron pang more serum and cream. So, ito ay yung mga testers nila para in case magustuhan mo siya, you can buy a full size. So far, ayun lang muna yung mga ipapakita kong mga nabili ko dito sa Japan. And in case you want some of them, comment lang kayo so I can comment complete links of the products that I showed in this video. And again, if you're going to Japan or anywhere in the world, don't forget to use my code on Klook. If you're booking any hotel or any activities, use my code GirlWhoTravels to get 5% off on your activities and hotel bookings. So, yun lang. Bye-bye!